Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, Bluetooth, keyless entry, security system. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.